Good morning, class. Myself Rajesh Singh, your subject teacher, English subject teacher, and today I'm going to revise the chapter which I have taught you yesterday. The same chapter which I have taught you yesterday. Uh, it's a poem. The name of the poem is Run, and is taken from English Marigold, Unit number 3, Chapter number 5. And the poet of the poem means the poem is written by Mary Dunt. Mary Dunt. Who is the poet of the poem? The poet of the poem is Mary Dunt. Yesterday we have discussed and I have explained each and everything about the poem. So today let us start again. Just for a revision, let us recite the poem. Okay, and let us start. Run, 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 away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run in the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry the all day through, uh, all through the day. Sorry, run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away, away. Once again, let me repeat. Run, 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 run away from the city and just a minute. Yeah, run, 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 run away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run in the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away, away. Okay, this was the poem. ये वही poem है जो हमने कल पढ़ा था. Here the poet Mary Dunt is asking children to run away from the country, city. To run away from the city, यानी city, शहर से दूर भागो. Run. Crowded area, भीड़ भाड़ इलाके से आप गांव की तरफ भागो. Run into the sun. Run into the sun. Here the sun, it doesn't mean कि आप सूरज जहां सन है वहां जाके दौड़ोगे. The poet what she wants to say is that run टू दी कंट्री साइड. टू दी कंट्री, कंट्री का मतलब यहाँ पे विलेज को कहा गया है कि शहर को छोड़ के गांव की तरफ भागिए, दौड़िए. वेयर देर इज नो बिल्डिंग, वेयर देर इज नो बिल्डिंग. गांव में आपको ओपन स्पेस मिलेगा, ओपन एरिया, वेयर यू कैन सी द सन एंड यू कैन रन इनटू द सन. आप सूर्य के नीचे दौड़ सकते हो. यू रन अवे फ्रॉम द सिटी, रन अवे फ्रॉम द सिटी, सिटी से दूर दौड़िए. एंड रन इनटू द सन, ओपन एरिया, ओपन स्पेस, जहां पे जगह हो वहां दौड़ने के लिए आपसे कवि कह रहा है. ओके, आउट टू द कंट्री, गांव में. ओके, नेक्स्ट. रन इन द रेन ड्रॉप्स, बारिश की बूंदों में दौड़िए. रन नीड द ट्रीज, रन नीचे के नीचे, पेड़ के नीचे. रन बीनेथ द ट्री, अंडर द ट्री. ओके, रन लिटिल रेसेस विथ ईच लिटिल ब्रेज, ठंडी ठंडी जो हवा बहती है उसके साथ आपको दौड़ने के लिए कह रहा है. रन डाउन द हिल साइड, हिल साइड मीन्स पहाड़ की ढाल, जो स्लोपिंग होता है, स्लोपिंग. लुक हियर स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट, once again I am explaining you what is hillside. This is a hill, means a mountain. What is a hill? Hill is a mountain. Now this slope, a slope of a hill is called a slope of a hill. A slope of a hill is called hillside. Hillside, hill की जो side होती है, slope, this part is called what this is called the hillside. So the poet, she wants the student to run down the hillside and run up the lane. Lane means galiyan, galiyon mein दौड़ने के लिए. Okay, fine. Now let us see. Now run through the meadow. Meadow, I hope I explained you yesterday what do you mean by meadow. A place where a field of grass, a field of grass, घास का मैदान. घास के मैदान में दौड़िए. Then run back again, आगे दौड़ते जाइए और पीछे फिर दौड़ के आइए. That's what the poem is asking you to do. Means here the main thing what the poet wants to stretch, the main thing the poet is stretching about, that you have to do exercise every day. Do exercise every day. Try to keep yourself fit and maintain. Next, the last stanza. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away, away. Yes, here in last stanza, the poem is asking you to run and be merry. Means happy. आप दौड़िए और खुश रहिए, पूरे दिन खुश रहिए. आप सुबह मेहनत करोगे, दौड़ोगे, आप फिट रहोगे और पूरे दिन खुश रहोगे. You will be happy the whole day. So this was your poem, and now let us come back to the exercises. Let's stop. Student, live reading is fun. आप बुक में देख सकते हो, open page number 40. You can see on page number 40. Open page number 40, everybody. Students, everybody, please open page number 40. Now, in page number 40, you can see, don't I will send you the question and answer and word meaning. Reading is fun. ये नहीं करेंगे. Now move down. What is this? This one. Let's talk. Let's talk. Do you like to play and run about? Why? Do you like to run and play? The question, the poet is asking you a question that बच्चों क्या आपको दौड़ना और खेलना पसंद है? Yes, every student, हर बच्चा कहेगा yes, I want to run, I love to run and play because it give me happiness. मुझे खुशियां मिलती है और साथ साथ मैं फिट भी रहता हूँ दौड़ने से. Next, running is a very good exercise. Name 3 games that you play in which you have to run. Now here, running is a good exercise. Running is a good exercise. If we run, means we are doing an exercise. And here, name 3 games that you play at home, or name 3 games that you play in which you have to run. ऐसा 3 गेम बताइए जिसमें आपको दौड़ना पड़े, जो आप खेलते हो. Okay, now number 1, you can say a race. Number 2, you can say what? Football. Even in football, you have to run. Yes. Next, number 3, any? Cricket. Okay, even in cricket, you have to run. So, 3 games that we play, and in all this game we have to run. ये वो 3 खेल हैं जो हम खेलते भी हैं और हमें पता है कि इन खेलों को खेलते समय हमें दौड़ना पड़ता है. तो दौड़ने से क्या होता है? If we run, means we are doing exercise. Okay? Okay, now it's clear. Now let us see. When you run fast, what do you feel is happening to your body? Yes, when you run fast, when you run very fast, what do you feel that is happening in your body? What is happening in your body? You breathe faster. You breathe faster. आप सांस तेजी से लेते हो. That is the answer. When I run very fast, I breathe rapidly. Means I breathe fast. I take in oxygen, take out carbon dioxide very fast. That is the answer. Now let us see, students. Say aloud. Say aloud means speak loudly. Beneath brace meet fear each meadow. ये word आपको घर पे प्रैक्टिस करना है. Speak. If you speak, अगर आप इस तरीके से देख के पढ़ते हो, then you will be able to speak in English. So here the poet wants you to pronounce. आप speak करोगे यानी pronounce करोगे. Okay, so try to pronounce the word which is given there. Say aloud. In each chapter in this English Marigold book, in each chapter there are some word which is being given for the student to speak loudly. Speak aloud. तेजी से बोलिए. Beneath, brace. I am writing on the board. Yes, student, look here. The say aloud. Say aloud means what the book is saying. The book is asking the student to speak these words loudly. Look here. Beneath. Next is what? Brace. What is this? Brace. Next is, what is next? It is meet. 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 What is this? Fear. Okay. Next, what is this? Itch. And one more is there. Meadow. You don't have to write. आपको ये लिखना नहीं है, students. You don't have to write this word. But what you have to do, say aloud. Means read loudly. Pronounce loudly this word. Beneath. What is this? Beneath. Everybody try to speak. आप मैं यहाँ पे बोल रहा हूँ, आपको सुनाई दे रहा है. I hope you can listen to me. So while I am pronouncing, you can pronounce. beneath, beneath. What is this? Brace, brace. What is this? Meet, meet. Fair, fair. Itch, itch. Meadow, meadow. Fine. Now let us move to next exercise. Next exercise. What is the next exercise? Some letters are missing. Some letters are missing. Fill up the, okay, fill up the missing letter. Fill up the missing. Fill up the missing letter. Fill up the missing letter with what? Double E and EA. Yes. In each word we have to fill up. यहाँ पे कुछ question, I'm going to write some question here. We have to fill up that blanks with double E and E to make a word. Okay, now let us see. First one is TR dash dash S. Next is PL dash dash SE. Next is T dash dash HE. Next is T dash dash CH. Now come this side. SL dash dash P. Next is B dash dash P. Next is F dash dash T. What is next? M dash dash T. Okay, student. Now we have to fill up. We have to fill up this blanks to make a word. To make a word. In सारे words में हमें double E और EA से fill up करना है इसमें और हमें एक शब्द बनाना है. Now first I hope you know fir tree. Fir tree हमने पढ़ा था. TR double E, trees. Okay, now see this one. PLEASE, please. Pronounce trees, please. What is this? EA, tease. What is this? TA, teach. What is this? Sleep. What is this? BEEP, beep. What is this? FEET, fate. What is this? MEET, meet. I hope you understand. समझ में आया है? Yes. हाथ उठा दो अगर clear है तो. If it is clear, raise your hand. Yes. Very good. Thank you. Now let us see next. Open page number 41. Next page. Open page number 41. Students, open page number 41. Now let us see page number 41. Page number 41. Open page number 41. Okay, now add more words with E. Now there are two circles. Two circles are there and we have to make some words like double E and EA. Now what we can see? SEEC, JEEP, Jeep. Next, what we can say? PEE, pill. BREEZE, brace. बहुत सारे words आप बना सकते हो double E से. Okay, now here make some word. PLEA, plea. Yes. MEADO, meadow. Next. BENEATH, beneath. Yes, आप कर सकते हैं ना? You can do? Yes. Write some more words having double E and EA. कुछ ऐसे हमें बहुत सारे words आप बना सकते हो with double E and EA. Clear? Clear? It is clear? Raise your hand please. अगर clear है तो raise कर लो. इसमें कोई problem नहीं होना चाहिए. It is clear. Raise your hand please. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Now let us see. Let's listen. Now we don't have to write. अभी हम लिखना नहीं है हमें. बस try to listen. Same page, page number 41. We don't have to write. We have to listen only. Say the words aloud one by one. Look here. Soldiers. It is written in red color. Soldiers. Move them. Move them up and down. Up, up and down. कंधा. What do you mean by soldiers? Soldiers में हमारी ये कंधे को soldiers बोलते हैं. Now say fit. Fit. Walk forward. Walk forward and backward. And backward. Walk forward and backward. Next, run. Fast and slow. Fast and slow. Hands. Move them left and right. Move them left and right. बेटा बुक्स में जो भी दिया हुआ है ना हमें वो पढ़ना पड़ता है. ठीक है. We have to. यहाँ पे आपको दिख नहीं रहा होगा. Move them left and right. RIGST right. Try to understand. अगर दिख नहीं रहा होगा तो moved left and right. What is this? Right. Okay. Now let us speak. Let us try to speak. Soldier. Move them up and down. This is your soldier. ये आपका soldier है. What? Student, this is your soldier. ये जो कंधा है ये आपका soldier है. Move them up and down. Yes, this is exercise. What we are doing? Up and down. Right? Okay. Now fit. What is this? Walk forward and backward. हम अपना fit किस लिए use करते हैं? Walk forward and backward. Now run. Run means fast or slow. If we run, that is also it is run, and if we are walking, then it is also run. Means fast and slow. Hands, move them left and right. Move them left, right. In our school mass pass in annual sport, हम देखते हैं कि हमारे कुछ सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स जो है मास पास में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं. दे पार्टिसिपेट इन मास पास. सो दिस आवर हैंड्स. ये हमारे हैंड्स है. तो इसको क्या करने के लिए है? व्हाइल वी वर्क. जब हम वर्क करते हैं, चलते हैं अपने पैरों से, तो हम क्या करते हैं? मूव लेफ्ट राइट. गॉट इट ना? क्लियर? यस. Once again, soldiers, move them up and down. Pronounce. बोलिए. Soldiers, pronounce. Everybody pronounce. Soldiers, move them up and down. Fit. Walk forward and backward. Run. Fast and slow. Now you can use these sentences. आप इस sentences को use कर सकते हैं while speaking English. Now what we can say? Hey, run fast. Rahul, run slow. अब हम देखो इस तरीके का सेंटेंस थोड़ा थोड़ा अगर यूज करते हैं, वर्ड को हम प्रोनाउंस करते हैं, देन वी विल बी एबल टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. नाउ आई कैन आस्क, मैं अब बोल सकता हूँ, अवंतिका सिंह, रन फास्ट. Yes, you can speak in English. So run fast, slow. Anshika, run fast, run slow. Yes, hands. Move your hand, move up and down, move backward, move left and right. Students, ये ऐसे ही नहीं दिया हुआ है. It is not given simply in your book कि हम कहानी पढ़े और क्वेश्चन आंसर पढ़ लिया, then the chapter is over. No, chapter leave it. No matter. Question answer याद हो no हो, no matter. Try to pronounce the word which are given in the exercises, which will help you in speaking in to help you speak in English. Okay. Now only सिर्फ ये 4 words अगर हम पढ़ लेते हैं, then we can speak something. Hello, run fast. Hello, run slowly. Hello, walk forward. March forward. March backward. Go forward. March forward. Yes. Then soldier. What is this? Soldier. Move your soldier. Not only this. इफ आई, अगर मुझे कोई बैग उठाना हो भारी, तो इन आई कैन स्पीक से इन इंग्लिश, कैरी ऑन योर सोल्जर, कैरी ऑन योर सोल्जर, कैरी ऑन योर सोल्जर. फाइन, आई होप इट इज क्लियर. क्लियर है? सो इट इज देयर इन योर बुक. पूरे दिन बैठे रहना, टीवी के सामने भी बैठना, तो नो प्रॉब्लम, आप ओपन करके अपने माइंड में पढ़ सकते हैं. ओके ना? यस. सोल्जर move them up and down, soldier move them up and down, fit, walk forward and backward, walk forward and backward, run fast and slow, fast and slow, hands move them right, left and right, move them left and right, move them left and right. Okay, now see the second, it is written there now, jump, hop, march and tiptoe. Yes, leave it. Now let us move march. Next question. Now look here, there are some questions here. Look here, look at the picture. Picture दिख रहा है आपको? See the first picture. Look at the first picture. पहला picture यहाँ पे है बेटा, यहाँ पे. Sorry. First picture. Can you see this first picture? Yes. Now I am asking you. Look at the first picture. What is Mohan practicing in the picture for? Mohan is practicing to jump. Mohan is practicing to jump. In picture number 4. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछ रहा है बेटा, यहाँ पे देखो, क्वेश्चन यहाँ है, द क्वेश्चन इज हियर एंड द पिक्चर इज हियर. द क्वेश्चन इज इन दिस पेज, इन पेज नंबर 42 एंड द पिक्चर इज इन पेज नंबर 43. Now read the question. Read the question. What is Mohan practicing in picture number 4? मोहन पिक्चर नंबर 4 में मोहन क्या प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है? What is Mohan practicing? Mohan is practicing to jump. मोहन इज प्रैक्टिसिंग टू जंप. मोहन जंपिंग प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है. ओके, नाउ देयर आर सम क्वेश्चन, लेट अस ट्राई टू डू इट. पेज नंबर, क्वेश्चन लुक हियर, पेज नंबर, in page number 40, page number 42, questions are here and the picture is in page number 43. And the picture, where is the picture, student? The picture is in page number 43. picture किस पेज पे है? 43 पे है. and question is in page number 42. दोनों पेज को एक साथ ओपन करेंगे. if we open both the page, we can see the question is here and the pictures you can see here. See, it is here in this page number 43 and page number 42. There are questions. Now question is that what is Mohan? Question number 1, what is Mohan? What is Mohan practicing? What is Mohan practicing in picture 4? This is your question. Can you see what is Mohan practicing in picture 4? Picture 4 में मोहन क्या practice कर रहा है? Can you see? दिखाई दे रहा है? What is doing Mohan? See picture number 4. What is Mohan doing? Mohan is jumping. What is doing? What he is doing? He is practicing jump. Answer is he is practicing to jump. Likewise, बाकी आप करोगे. Yesterday I have given you, कल मैंने आपको भेजा था, आज फिर सेंड करूंगा. You will do yourself. Okay. Now the exercises are over. और in picture you have to make question. Look here, पेज नंबर 42 में आपको करना क्या है? क्वेश्चन का आंसर बताना है. एंड इन पेज नंबर पेज नंबर 43, लुक हियर, इन पेज नंबर 43 आपको क्वेश्चन का 42, इन पेज नंबर 42 क्वेश्चन लिखा हुआ है. पिक्चर को देखो और उसका आंसर बताओ. व्हाट पिक्चर नंबर 1 में बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं? लुक हियर, look in this picture. Look here, what are the students doing? They are running. They are running. What they are doing? They are running. They are running. बच्चे दौड़ रहे हैं. तो पिक्चर को देख के आपको बताना है कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं. Okay, this is your homework. It's your homework. complete it and you try to send on me, or and try to learn the poem. Run, 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 run away from the city and into the sun, run to the country, run, run, run. Yes, this is the poem you have to learn. ये poem आपको learn करना है. Okay. Now today I will, yesterday I have given you, कल मैंने आपको send किया था that you have to learn the poem. I have given you the homework that you have to learn the poem. Today I will send you word meaning, only word meaning. आज सिर्फ word meaning send करूंगा. Okay. Today is not your turn. आज आपका homework का turn नहीं है, but I will send you the word meaning of chapter number 5. Okay. Write down neat and cleanly. एकदम साफ साफ लिखना. Okay. Thank you.